Before we get started, I just want to say I'm not recommending any of these products. Nothing is sponsored. I'm just going to show you what I have, maybe in hopes to give you an idea of what you might need. Howdy ho friends, I'm doing a video request on my extreme cold weather bag. This travels from vehicle to vehicle with me in the winter months, obviously, and I've used it on base camp setups. In fact, some of the items you're going to see in here, you will see me wear out through the winter. Just take a look at the bag. I think I got this one at Wally World, dirt cheap. Simple plain duffel bag, side pocket. We've got right here on the front, we have a hidden front pocket that has nothing really important in it except for it does have a shoulder strap, but I really don't use that, but it's there in case we need it. Also, we have another side pocket, and then of course, if I can get the Velcro in there, your top section. All right, let's start off with the side pocket right here. I brought this down with me today because I actually, anyway, maybe there'll be some bonus footage at the end. Anyway, on this side pocket here, we have some hot hands heaters. They don't work good, but they do help. Extra pair of gloves, heavy duty. More hot hand heaters. In fact, there's a ton of them in there. On the side pocket over yonders, this is a backup. Actually, this one was for my dad. But anyway, got one of these. This is like a full face mask. This is kind of a wool hat. Yep, this one was for my dad too. Okay, that's it for those pockets. Now let's get to the good stuff here in the top section. This here is my full face mask. This is warm. This is freaking warm. You can find these on Amazon and they are dirt cheap. They're kind of fleece and I guarantee they block the wind. All right, enough about it. Anyway, this is a wool cap. This was gifted to me by a friend of mine, and let me tell you, it is freaking warm. Boy, this thing has seen some use. This is my onesie, or my Johnny jumper. And when it gets cold out, you're gonna see me wearing this. I wore this to the winter camp. Oh, I don't know how many different winter outings. But yes, she's seen some wear. Yes, she's been on fire. Guaranteed to keep you warm. And this is, I think it came from Wally World. If I had my glasses on, I could read it to you. But I do not. Not important. Extra set of camo long johns. Oh, wait a minute. Yep, these are the camo long johns. Socks. And a pair of very heavy duty gloves. One thing is missing in here is what I call my happy hat. That's actually in my backpack. You've seen me wear it before. It's got the hat with the sides on it. Anyway, this has been a look at my extreme cold weather bag. As you can see, there's not a lot in there, but there's enough that if I get stranded somewhere, all this gear combined with a couple other items I keep either in the Mountaineer or in the van, which I'll show later on, will keep me warm. And don't forget my everyday carries with me. All right, friends, I think we're gonna wrap this up. If you would, put down in a list what you carry in your vehicle during the extreme cold weather. Be interested to see your comment, and if there's anything you see that I should add to the bag, let me know. And like always, friends, thanks for watching.